Topographical surveyors play a crucial role in the development and construction industry. In Noida Sector 76, the services of topographical surveyors are highly sought after to ensure accurate and reliable data for various projects. These professionals are responsible for mapping out the physical features of the land, including its elevation, contours, and other details. By using advanced equipment and techniques, topographical surveyors in Noida Sector 76 provide accurate measurements and data that are essential for the successful implementation of construction projects. One of the prominent topographical surveyors in Noida Sector 76 is SCON Design. With years of experience in the field, SCON Design has established itself as a reliable and trustworthy name in the industry. Their team of expert surveyors is well versed in the latest surveying technologies and techniques, ensuring high-quality results for their clients. Whether it's a small-scale residential project or a large-scale commercial development, SCON Design has the expertise to handle all types of topographical surveys. The role of topographical surveyors in Noida Sector 76 goes beyond just mapping the land. They also provide valuable insights and recommendations based on their findings. This information is crucial for architects, engineers, and developers to make informed decisions regarding the design and construction of a project. By identifying potential challenges or constraints, topographical surveyors help mitigate risks and optimize the design process. This ultimately leads to cost savings and improved project efficiency. When it comes to topographical surveys in Noida Sector 76, accuracy is of utmost importance. SCON Design understands this and ensures that their surveys are conducted with precision and attention to detail. Their team uses state-of-the-art equipment and software to capture and analyze data, resulting in highly accurate measurements and detailed reports. When it comes to conducting accurate and detailed topographical surveys in Noida Sector 76, SCON Design is the go-to company. As experienced topographical surveyors, SCON Design has a deep understanding of the specific requirements and challenges that come with surveying in this particular area. With their expertise and advanced equipment, they are able to provide accurate measurements and detailed mapping of the land. Topographical surveys are essential for various purposes, such as land development, engineering projects, and urban planning. They involve the measurement and mapping of the features of a piece of land, including its elevation, contours, natural and man-made features, and vegetation. These surveys provide valuable information that helps in making informed decisions about land use and development. In Noida Sector 76, there is a growing need for topographical surveys due to the increasing number of construction and development projects in the area. SCON Design understands the unique requirements of these projects and has the